Hi everyone, welcome back. Have you been wondering if the new Mithmillo DIVIN Collection is worth picking up? Well, today you're going to find out because we're going to be unboxing this entire collection, swatching every single shade, giving you a close-up of every color so you can see the finish and the application before you start diving into these beautiful colors yourself. Grab your favorite drink, get comfortable because we're going to dive right into the brand new Mithmillo DIVIN Collection. Now we're going to go ahead and just unbox this. I love the clean aesthetic that we're already getting just from that front packaging. And then we have a little color story right at the top there. And then we're pulling out everything here. I am loving this little swatch card right here. It's definitely setting the tone for this whole collection. So I cannot wait to show you the rest of these beautiful colors. Now I did notice that we get two different style swatch cards. We have like a traditional one that you see here. And then we have that little one with the jellyfish, which we'll get into here in just a moment. So I am pleasantly surprised seeing that the packaging of the gels are packaged individually like this. Normally when you get a collection from Mithmillo, it's like the gels are kind of like in a nice little tray. This time they put them in individual packaging, which I'm totally not mad about it. I actually kind of like this. And I'm assuming they did this because you can get these colors individually. So they just put them in this little packaging like here, and then we get that collection. We can put them all in that little box that you saw in the beginning. And then here's the other swatch card. We have this beautiful color story of that jellyfish. And then look at that. Another option for our beautiful swatches, giving us like that underwater kind of moment. I'm totally here for it. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull everything out, and then we can get all these colors lined up so you can kind of get a better feel on the color story. All right, so we're going to start with the first color. And the packaging of this bottle melts my heart every time. It reminds me, first of all, it's clean, but it's like very artsy at the same time. It reminds me of a lipstick tube, like right there by the wand. It looks like a little lipstick in the little tube. I absolutely love it. It's a great color indicator too, so you don't necessarily have to have your swatch card out. You can see what color you're grabbing based on the color indicator of the cap. Now this is the first color, and we're going to be starting off really strong, and you're going to see here why in just a moment. So it looks like it's going to be like that seashell kind of pearly kind of shade, but once I went ahead and swatched it, it was a total surprise, and I'm so excited that they included this kind of style gel in this kit because it's going to tie that sea underwater look so perfectly. Now, if you look really closely, it's starting to give us that special effect. So it's going to give us like that ocean wave, or like the wave meets the water effect with little to no effort. I think that's so cool. So I'm just going to apply one coat to a clear swatch stick. We're going to use clear swatch sticks for this entire video. And now that I'm done applying it, I'm just going to let the magic happen. So I'm going to wait about like 20 seconds or so, really whatever your heart desires. And if once you like the design that it's creating, then just go ahead and pop it in the lamp. Look at that. This is what it looks like cured. I love this so much. It's going to give a lot of special effect to the nail, again, with very minimal effort. So I'm loving that. So you're going to notice about this collection is that they really outdid themselves here. I'm going to tell you already that I'm really love this collection. I think it's not just like all cat eyes, or it's not just all like underwater colors. There's some special like effects, like you just saw, like that first color that's included. There's beautiful magnetic gels that are very, very sensitive, and you're gonna get an amazing magnetic pull. And there's also some just beautiful accents of glitters. There's really something in here that you can just pull out all these colors here and have endless possibilities, which I love that about a collection, because you're not just set using magnetic gels. You have options, and you have best of both worlds when it comes to this collection. So if you just saw, we hit this with the magnet, and that was absolutely fantastic. Very fine magnetic particles. It even looks good demagnetized. So if you just want like that nudie kind of jelly kind of moment, you definitely can achieve that with this collection as well. But the magnetic gels in here are absolutely stunning. They're very sensitive. And again, this is what it looks like with one coat. So I felt like to give you guys like a really good feel on how these colors are going to perform, I'm going to do it on a clear swatch stick, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with one coat, just so you can get a really good feel, because you can always build these colors up. But I just feel like this is such a unique, beautiful collection that it honestly needed a little moment on its own just to kind of shine bright, right? All right, so let's get into the rest of these beautiful colors, and then I'm going to pop back in at the end with my final thoughts. I absolutely love this collection. I feel like you can get so much use out of this, not only because are these unique colors, but these are also really good staple colors just to add to your collection. The color payoff was amazing. We had such a rich magnetic pull payoff with just that one coat. The neutral colors are absolutely stunning. We have like a mixture of like those gorgeous deep blue shades that really just inspire like the underwater tones. The entire collection in the Vision really came together with a beautiful color story of gels that we received in this one. I also love the special effect glitters that they included. I really like that texture that they added with that first color. That was a game changer for me. I was not expecting that to be that first shade. I really thought it was going to be like a seashell collection. And then we have that fun bubble like kind of glitter that kind of gives us like we're deep under that ocean water with like those bubbles that, when you're diving and you see like the bubbles. Overall, such a well-rounded, thoughtful, created collection. So if you are really thinking about this collection, I would not sleep on it because I really honestly have a feeling that this one might not last the whole summer season. I feel like this is going to sell out once people really get a good feel on what these colors can bring to the table. So let me know down below which shade was your favorite. And also, all the information regarding this collection will be found in that description box below. And if you're looking for a discount, I will link that below for you as well. And again, if you are using my code, I really appreciate it. When you guys use my code, I just put that right back into my channel so we can keep exploring some fun, really unique gel collections so you can get a good feel on if a collection is right for you, right? Because there are so many beautiful collections out there, and I feel like if I can just break it down for you to really show you the beauty of it, then you can pick and choose which colors are definitely your favorite. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. We are going to dive into these colors more here shortly, and I will see you all in the next one.